Forecast.
Severe thunderstorm warning for Montal County in north central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north central Illinois. Moving is 55 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Were located along the line extending from near Medulla to near Tonica. Moving east at
I look up and I can see it.
60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Peru, Lasalle, Sandwich, Mendota, Marseilles, Sheridan, Shabona, Lake Holiday, Oglesby, Seneca, Hinkley, Silmanock, Earlville, Waterman, North Utica, Serena, Leland, Paw Paw, and Natalie. Interstate 88 between mile markers 100 and 101. This includes Sandwich Fairgrounds, Buffalo Rock State Park, Illinois State Park, Illinois Valley Community College, Matheson State Park, South Rock State Park, and Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds of ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. This is NOAA's weather radio with a type of neutrino.